Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Sign in and go straight to your cart to avoid wasted steps. Once there, scan items for duplicates, correct quantities, and remove saved for later products. This prevents confusion for the recipient. Make sure your shipping address or payment info are not exposed. You'll share only the cart link or list. If you use multiple wish lists or carts, confirm you're in the active cart view. This sets a clean baseline, so sharing reflects exactly what you intend. Next, locate the cart's share feature. On desktop, it's near the top. On mobile, check the menu. Once clicked, choose whether the recipient can only view the cart or also edit quantities. View only prevents unintended purchases. Copy the generated shareable link to your clipboard. If no link appears, use the send via email option. Make sure to test the link in a private tab to confirm it opens correctly. Once satisfied, paste it into your message app or email to send. Finally, send the copied link with a short note explaining whether they can edit or should only review. Ask the recipient to confirm they can open the link and see the correct items. This avoids surprises at checkout. If they report errors, recreate the share link or switch to email invite to force a fresh share. As a quick troubleshooting tip, if the link fails, clear cache or open in a private window. Recreating the cart share usually resolves permission or session issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.